today's video, we will be discussing about conversion of units. We're going to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. The conversion factors that we're going to use are 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. When we say conversion factor, it shows the relationships between units to convert from one unit to another. Okay, for example, convert 30 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So we're going to write 30 kilometers over hour times the first conversion factor that we're going to use is 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So as you can see, the kilometer here is on top. Therefore, we're going to write 1 kilometer at the bottom. And on top, we're going to write 1,000 meters. So we can cancel out kilometer. Next, for hour. So hour is in the bottom. So we're going to write 1 hour on top and 60 minutes at the bottom times, okay, to cancel out minutes, this one, we're going to write 1 minute on top and at the bottom is 60 seconds. Okay, so we can cancel out minute. Next, we're going to multiply 30 times 1,000 is 30,000 over 60 times 60 is 3,600. May meter pa pala dito and second. Then we're going to divide 30,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds. The answer is 8.33 meter per second. Okay, let's have another example. Convert 85 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So the first conversion factor that we're going to use is 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. To cancel out kilometer, we're going to write 1 kilometer at the bottom and 1,000 meters on top. So we can now cancel out kilometer. Next, to cancel out hour, we're going to use 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we can now cancel out the unit hour. To cancel out minute, the conversion factor that we're going to use is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We're going to write at 1 minute on top and at the bottom is 60 seconds. So we can cancel out minute. Let's proceed to multiplication. 85 times 1,000 times 1 times 1 is equal to 85,000 and the remaining unit is meter. Next, 1 times 60 times 60 is 3,600 seconds. Then we're going to divide 85,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds. The final answer is 23.61 meter per second. So 85 kilometer per hour is equivalent to 23.61 meter per second. Okay, how about meter per second to kilometer per hour? How are we going to convert it? Example, 25 meter per second to kilometer per hour. The first conversion factor that we are going to use is 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters because we need to cancel out the unit meter. Meter is on top, so 1,000 meter is at the bottom. And 1 kilometer is on top. So we can now cancel out the unit meter. Next, we need to cancel out the unit second. Okay. To cancel out the unit second, this is the conversion factor that we need to use. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So we can now cancel out the unit second. Next is to cancel out minute. To cancel out minute, the conversion factor that we need to use is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So you're going to write 60 minutes on top, and at the bottom is 1 hour. So cancel out the unit minute. Let's proceed to multiplication. 25 times 1 times 60 times 60 is 90,000. And the remaining unit on top is kilometer. Okay? 1,000 times 1 times 1 hour is 1,000 hours. Let's divide. 90,000 kilometers divided by 1,000 hours. The answer is 90 kilometer per hour. Meaning to say, 25 meter per second is equivalent to 90 kilometer per hour.